Have you ever wished you could create a copy of yourself? A double who takes the hit while the real you walks away free? Well, in the jungles of Peru, there's a spider that actually does this. Meet the Cyclosa spider, small, fragile, barely the size of your fingernail. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary orb-weaving spider, building delicate circular webs between tree branches. But hidden within its silk lies a secret. A survival trick that sounds more like a scene from anime than from real life. Because when danger comes, the Cyclosa can make a clone of itself. Now, let's break this down. Predators are everywhere in the rainforest. Birds, wasps, even larger insects. Many of them see a tiny spider as nothing more than an easy snack. For most spiders, survival means hiding, freezing, or dropping from their web and hoping the danger passes. But the Cyclosa takes a different path. It becomes an artist and a trickster. When it senses a threat, the spider immediately gets to work with its silk. But this time, it's not building a web to catch prey. No, this time, it's sculpting. It produces a thick, clumpy silk, sticky and pale, with a strange, jelly-like look. Some scientists say it almost resembles mayonnaise. Odd, right? But out of this strange material, the spider begins to build itself. Piece by piece, leg by leg, body in the middle, and it doesn't stop there. The spider stuffs the structure with extra materials, bits of dry leaves, old prey, even debris from the forest floor. The result? A full-size decoy hanging right in the middle of the web. And here's the crazy part. From a short distance, the fake looks almost identical to the real spider. Long, spindly legs, a round abdomen. It's all there. Imagine a puppet, a mannequin, a scarecrow, but designed to look exactly like the builder. Now picture this. A bird spots the spider and swoops in. Or a parasitic wasp locks onto the fake body, preparing to sting. In that split second, while the predator's focus is locked onto the decoy, the real Cyclosa makes its move, dropping off the web or hiding in a corner. The predator is left attacking nothing but silk and scraps, while the real spider lives another day. Scientists who studied this behavior in Peru were stunned. They noticed the decoys weren't sloppy. They were symmetrical, carefully designed. In some cases, even positioned in the web in a way that made them look alive. Think about that for a moment. A creature with a brain smaller than a pinhead is creating a believable illusion, almost like a stage magician working with silk and shadows. And what's even more fascinating, this isn't just random luck. Cyclosa spiders are known for repeating this strategy. Whenever the threat of predation is high, they build their doubles again and again, almost as if they understand the power of illusion. It is one of those moments where nature reminds us, survival isn't always about strength or speed or size. Sometimes it's about creativity. The Cyclosa spider has no venom strong enough to stop a bird, no armor thick enough to withstand a wasp. But what it does have is ingenuity, an ability to fool the eye long enough to escape. So the next time you walk through the forest and spot a spider's web, take a closer look. That spider you see dangling in the middle might not be a spider at all. It might just be a puppet, a lifeless double, carefully crafted to take the fall. Because in the silent game of predator and prey, the Cyclosa spider has mastered a truth that even humans know well. Sometimes, illusion is the greatest weapon of all.